Hi everyone, and welcome to our special Q&A on the key roles of data visualization research in sports. My name is Brittany, and with the help of my two co-workers Sabrina and Michael, we will answer the questions about the Sport University of London. So let's go!
Question 1. Why this research paper, and what are you bringing more?
Good question. The first point would be to clarify what is sports data visualization research, right? It is not just about exploring new visualization techniques or adapting old ones to a new domain. It is also about conducting design studies and evaluations in close collaboration with experts. Moreover, many academic papers include sports visualizations, but only for a specific domain. Our paper differs in both aspects as we integrate both team sports and individual sports.
Question 2. Is it really that important to use visualization in sports?
The obvious answer for us is yes. Sports visualizations are widely used for narrative purposes. I mean, look at your favorite sports blog or articles in the New York Times. Even on TV news, they are making sports traditional statistics more accessible and more meaningful to most of the population. And indeed, successful analysis of sports data has been proven to result in better performances of a team and can have a notable positive economic impact. Moreover, our research has an impact beyond sports and can also be used by both academia and industry because it is 1. Grounded in realistic, highly heterogeneous data, 2. Applied to real-world problems, and 3. Designed in collaboration with experts.
Question 3. On which data types have you decided to work on?
Choice is not easy because what makes sports a unique domain of interest is the variety and specificity of the data it generates, and therefore almost any visualization can be applied to the sports domain, like node-link diagrams and time series line plots, and that's where the challenge was. With a combination of 3 types of sports data that it results in a rich and wide space of sports visualization. Detective information and metadata are often similar across sports, and box code data is highly sports specific.
Question 4. Could you show us some example of nice visualization you choose, and why?
For the visualization, we selected the ones that best meet channel's effectiveness and expressiveness principles. We are looking for a good use of color, accuracy, separability, and pop-out. One of the best graphs we found regarding box score data was this one from the Premier League's 2015-16 season. Its functionality to select a specific team meets most of the criteria mentioned above. A very straightforward way to plot tracking data is through density maps. A sweet spot appears when coloring ball hits by scoring value, which reveals the right trade-off between ball velocity and angle. Finally, this metadata-related graph, for example, excels in the effectiveness principle since its magnitude channels, position on the unaligned scale, rank second in the effectiveness rank.
And last question, can you tell us what were the most difficult challenges you faced?
When we talk about challenges, 2 types of issues arise. In visualization, representing an entire game quickly results in overplotting, or what we call spaghetti representations, and it is often difficult to be able to build a visualization that highlights small differences, especially in timing matters. As for the challenges related to the data, we can address the fact that acquiring sports data is not an easy step. We therefore find ourselves often questioning the quality of the data available and whether it is incomplete or uncertain. It is already the end. Thank you all for your questions, and if you have any doubts, we are reachable by phone or email.
Created using Powtoon.